Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do it, press and hold the upper button, or not upper button, middle button. Press and hold it. Once the menu opens, scroll down, find the watch settings option and tap on it. Here find the connectivity option and tap on it, and then find the Wi-Fi option and select it, of course. Now scroll down and find the option called My Networks and tap on it, and here you will see the list of networks that your watch has saved. Basically, this is the list of networks that your watch will try to connect to if the networks are in the vicinity and they have internet access, basically. So if you want to disconnect from some kind of network, find it on the list right here, tap on it, then tap on remove, and then confirm by pressing the upper button. The network will disappear from this list and your watch won't try to connect to it anymore. So basically that's how you disconnect from the networks. And then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.